We're back. Told you, we're gonna make amends for not posting earlier. So anyway, here we are, guys. Another trainer drop review. The box is like just brown, just like no branding on it whatsoever. So this one's gonna be a tricky one. Literally, like, look, like no branding, nothing, nada, niente. Okay. Man, this sellotape's good. I've got to get sellotape like this. Some NBs. Okay. This is a first for Star vs. Trend, a pair of NBs. I tell you, that has to be because we ain't been copying nothing. You should know, Adidas has been giving us mad L's, man. And Nike been giving us a load more L's. Here we go. Okay. Very unstated box, as you know, from NBs. So let's see what we've got inside. Okay, so it's got a little tag on it. Okay, so the BB550. I have no idea what these are. Okay. You gotta give it a smell, right? You gotta give it a smell, especially the first time you've done a trainer. Gotta give it a smell. Okay, so the first thoughts are, I know they're lows, right? They're lows, yeah. Similar to a Dunk Low. The trainers at the bottom, you know, the soles at the bottom, but hey, anything else in here for us? No, nothing. Okay, it's flip it round. Get you on top. What do we think, guys? What do we think? I don't know. Okay, so first of all, I like the suede. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but we've got the suede running here, which is the real good premium suede, man. And we've got 550 there. I know nothing about New Balance. Only back in the days they were naff, right? And you wouldn't even be seen in the pair of them. But over the last like less than that. Yeah, over the last like 5 or 4 years, really the trajectory has just gone through the roof. And they've been doing some great, they're getting a lot of hype, and these are getting a lot of hype as well. So I'm actually pleased we managed to get a pair. But I don't know, these just remind me of Dunk Lows, man. Don't they remind you of Dunk Lows, or is it just me? They remind me of Dunk Lows, man. Honestly, I mean, I love the way that they've got the several layers of the patchwork coming through, you know, a layer here, a layer here, a layer there, a layer there. It's all really good cushion there, you know, it's reflecting over. It's really, really thought out. The NB, nice brand at the back here. The additional upper rubber sole on the heel, I like that. The old traditional trainer feel here. Yeah, I mean, I need to inspect these. I did not anticipate New Balances, guys. How many of you have got a pair of New Balances? Do you own a pair? What do we think about these, man? I don't know, I'm quite surprised that we managed to, why we went for these, but they're different. And maybe it's just a sign that, you know, we should change it up. We should change it up. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I think that's true, guys. I think, you know, we can't just be so biased and be just Nike and Yeezys and, you know, and the whole lot. We need to express it more. I mean, yeah, we've done a few Adidases, I guess. Those Adidas Reeboks mesh that the runners that they had. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? Should we explore and do more, or just stick to the Nike and the Yeezys? I mean, there are guys that only do Yeezys, right? Loads of YouTubers out there. But I quite like the fact that we can diversify it, right? Style versus trend. Not everybody has the same style. Not everybody has the same preferences, and it's good to explore that. So let's try these on foot. What can you say? I like them. I actually really do like them, and they're like cool on your feet. They're actually cool on your feet, and like, you know, no disrespect to New Balance or anything, but like, you wouldn't be like walking and feel like, I'm wearing a pair of New Balances. You just feel like, yeah, you're wearing a really nice, comfortable trainer on your feet. and they look good. And you know what I like about Lowe's, and I'm starting to get more and more into Lowe's, I think, is that they just work with everything. You know, again, talking about style versus trend. And so we always about like trying to always, you know, everybody wants to look dope, right? Everybody wants to look good. But sometimes the trainers can dictate what it is that you wear. Whereas I find with these, you dictate what you wear and the trainers just complement it. Like whatever it is you want to wear joggers, you want to wear shorts, you want to wear skinnies, you know, you want to wear, you know, some straight cuts. They won't work with bootleg. If you're still buying bootleg, please hit us up, man, because we got to come give you like some style consultation or something. But excuse me, guys. No, but seriously, no, I like them and they work with anything. You know, I try them on with a few outfits and they just work. So would I cop these? Yeah, damn right I would. And they're like £100 or £109 or something like that. And they also, on the resale market, they're doing really well. So that goes to show you that they're actually a really good pair of trainers to have, right? And definitely worth, you know, to diversify, you know, your trainer cupboard, get a pair of these 550s from New Balances. And you know, I'm gonna look out for them more. I really will look out for them more because these caught me by surprise. Hopefully you can tell. See, that's why we do the unboxing, unknown unboxing, right? Because it's like, what's Jordan's reaction gonna be? So anyway, guys, yeah, for me, it is a cop. You know, do you have a pair of New Balances? Give us a shout, man. Send the photos and, you know, upload them to Style vs Trend on our website. Let's see them. Let's talk about them because I might just start flipping a little bit, you know, flipping the script and changing things up. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in to Style vs Trend. I'm out.